Welcome to Ultra Decor. Today, I'm thrilled to showcase some stunning conceptual images that will inspire you to embrace a minimalistic, modern style in your own home. Remember, these are not creations, but visual representations of what could be a canvas for your imagination. We begin in the living room, where simplicity meets elegance. Picture sleek furniture with clean lines, a neutral color palette with a pop of color for contrast. This scene demonstrates how less can truly be more. Next, we step into the kitchen. Imagine open spaces, clutter-free countertops, and smart storage solutions. The focus here is on functionality, wrapped in a minimalist aesthetic. Moving to the bedroom, where calm and comfort are key. Think of a minimalist bed frame, subdued lighting, and soft, earthy tones. This is your tranquil haven from the busy world. In the bathroom, envision a spa-like atmosphere. Clean lines, minimal decor, and a focus on high-quality materials create a space that's both serene and stylish. Our journey takes us to the dining area next. A simple yet elegant dining table, surrounded by minimalist chairs, set against a backdrop of understated art pieces. This setting is perfect for intimate dinners and engaging conversations. For the home office, functionality meets minimalism. A neat desk, ergonomic chair, and organized shelving. A space designed for productivity and focus, free from distractions. Finally, let's not forget the outdoors. Minimalistic furniture, subtle lighting, and a few well-placed plants can turn your balcony or patio into a peaceful retreat. Thank you for joining me on this visual journey through modern minimalistic home decor. Remember, these concepts are just the beginning. Your personal touch will bring these ideas to life. For more inspiration, stay tuned to Ultra Decor, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative and stylish home decor ideas.